Here at the Whitewater Arts Alliance, we are proud to host exhibitions, workshops, and special events, celebrating the arts and creating community.
What's the exhibit now? What's happening right now?
There are 5 schools in the Whitewater Unified School District that are featured here. You know, we want our children to be proud of the work that they do and to keep making art and know that we love them and their community loves them.
You touch on a topic that we should be talking more about at the university, and that's the intergenerational conversation. That's good. Keep that momentum going. Yeah, there's another one of your wing friends there. There you go.
That deserves a picture.
Yeah. Well, thank you.
Thank you, Chancellor.
Oh, give me a...
So.
Yeah.
Thank you. The Whitewater Arts Alliance is so grateful for all of the collaborative opportunities with faculty, staff, and students of the university.
Nice meeting you.
Really nice to meet all of you.
Nice meeting you. Thank you. Thank you.